Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Kiran. I am from BS Chemistry and my ID is 005. Today I am going to present the last course of Python, that is Introduction to Data Visualization with Matplotlib. In this course, we will talk about introduction, plotting time series, quantitative comparison, and then we will see sharing visualization with others. So in the first course, it includes introduction to data visualization using the Matplotlib plot interface, adding data to an exist object, customizing your plots, customizing data appearance, customizing exist labels and adding titles, small multiples, creating a grid of the plot. And in the second course, plotting time series, we talk about plotting time series data, read data of the time index, plot time series data, using the time index to zoom in, plotting time series with different variables, plotting two variables, and we see defining a function that plots time series data, and at end we see using a plotting function. And in the next course, there is quantitative comparison. We talk about quantitative comparisons, bar chart, stacked bar chart, quantitative comparisons like histograms, creating histograms, step of histograms, statistical plotting, adding error bars to a bar chart, and at the end we talk about adding error bars to a plot. And in the last, sharing visualization with others, we talk about how to prepare your figures to share with others, selecting the style for printing, switching between styles, for example, how we can change one style into another, saving your visualizations, saving the files several times. For example, how we can save our one file for many times, save a figure with different sizes. For example, we can save one picture with the different sizes and automating figures from data, unique values of a column, and automate your visualization. This is a certificate for completing Introduction to Data Visualization with Matplotlib from Datacamp. So thanks. That's all from my side.